Hi, Lexi. Thank you for sending in your calculus question to SnapMath tonight. So you give us this question where the cost, we have a cost function right here of a commodity, of making a unit or a certain number of units, what the cost might be. And they ask for, in section A, or problem A, we're asked to find the marginal cost of 50 units, producing 50 units. The first thing we have to do is find the marginal cost function. And all that is just going to be the derivative of the cost function. So I'm going to split this up a little bit. I'm going to split it up into 9 root 2 and then x to the half. And then you take the derivative of that, and it's going to be 9 root 2 over 2, and then x to the negative half. And then take the derivative of that is just going to be plus 3, and then the derivative of that is 0. So this is going to be our marginal cost function right here. So all we have to do is plug in 50 for x here. So I'm going to do that. So it's going to be 9 root 2 over 2, and I'm going to put this on the bottom, root 50 plus 3. And that's going to equal, I'm going to bring out a 5 on the bottom, so it's going to be 10 root 2. So 5 times 2 is 10, and it's 2 underneath still, and then it's going to be 9 root 2. 2's cancel out, plus 3. And then finally we get the marginal cost is going to be 69 over 10. All right? And then section B is asked, what if the marginal cost is equal to $4.50, then what is going to be, how many units is that going to produce? So I'm going to do the same exact thing, except now we're going to solve for x right here. So it's going to be this over 2x plus 3. And then we'll just do a little algebra here. 1.5 equals 9 root 2 over 2 root x. Then we're going to have root x equals 9 root 2 over 3. And then finally, what we have here is well, first I want to cancel this out, so it's just 3 root 2. And then we're going to square both sides. So we have x by itself. So it's going to be x equals 9 times 2, which is 18. So there's 18 units when the marginal cost is $4.50. So there are your two answers, Lexi. And thank you for sending in your question tonight, and we look forward to answering your questions in the future. Have a good night.